Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. I've been waiting, I've been waiting. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. I've been waiting, I've been waiting. I finally found the piece that I've been missing all along. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. I've been waiting, I've been waiting. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This song was requested, this Russell Dickerson song, so if there's other songs you want to learn, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best. Also, please hit like and subscribe, alright? So this song is in standard tuning. You got a capo on the 2nd fret, and it's very easy to play. There's 4 chords, but like you can basically, the chorus is basically just going to be 2 of them, and they're very easy chords to play. So I'll go over all that stuff. I'll show you when to play the chords, the strumming patterns, and everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with, you're going to do C. So the verses are basically going to be, not always, so stay with me for the 2nd verse and the bridge, but basically C, F, G. So it's going to be, there were highs, so you do, for the verses, you're just going to do single strums. There were highs, highs is C, highs, there were lows, there were highs, there were lows, there were stories that I wrote before, yeah. So then on that before, you're going to do C, F, G, just like that. So you're going to play it like this. There were highs, there were lows, there were stories that I wrote before, yeah. Okay, so you do C, F, G, and then you do, but they all is C, all ended up the same, yeah, yeah, C, F, G. And you do, I lay in bed, so bed is C. I lay in bed, bow my head, didn't know that I was praying. 4 is C, C, F, G. 4, so you go praying 4, yeah. So that 4 is what you do, then start with the C, F, G, 4, yeah. And now I think, so thank God is going to be C, thank God every day, yeah, because I'm finally, so you do finally is A minor, finally, because I finally found the piece that I was missing all along. So it's A minor on finally found the piece that I was missing, missing is G, missing all along. Okay, and then here, you're going to mute, then you're going to go into the chorus. So for the chorus, you're going to do, there's multiple ways you can play it. I think the easiest way, and the way that I think sounds the best, I'm not saying this is the exact right way to play it, but I think it sounds the best, is to do C and G just for the whole chorus. So you're just going to do C on girl. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. So on whole, you do G. All right, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, up. So girl, I've been waiting for you my whole, see, whole is G, whole life, I've been waiting, and then waiting, you do C again. I've been waiting, and C again on girl. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole is G, whole life, I've been waiting. Then you go back to C, waiting is C, waiting, I've been waiting. You stay on C. I finally found the piece, and then piece is G, piece that I'm missing all along. And then, so G is piece, and then you go back to C on girl. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole is G, whole life, I've been waiting, waiting is C, waiting for my whole, then whole is G, whole life, then you're going to do C, F, G as you go for the next verse. Okay? Now the strumming pattern for that chorus, remember, is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern for the chorus. Now for the next verse, you're still going to do single strums, but you're going to start, I thought I knew, so you would start with F on I knew. I thought I knew what it was, now I couldn't, wouldn't is C, wouldn't call it love before you. And you do before is F, before you. So G is you, before you. 'Cause one kiss, and then you're gonna start with C on kiss. 'Cause one kiss changed everything, yeah, yeah. And then you do C, F, G. Here's where it's gonna get a little bit different. So you're gonna do, I'm finally done. Done is C. Done with searching girl. So you do C, G. G is girl. Girl because your smile. Smile is A minor. Smile is all I need. So need is C. And your song. Song is G. Song is all I sing. Yeah. Girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. I've been waiting. I've been waiting. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play that. Then the bridge comes right after that that second chorus. So then for that you're gonna do F. I'd still be walking down this lonely road without you, G. So you do A minor, G, F. A minor, G, F. Like that, okay? I'd still be walking down this lonely road without you. Okay, and you're gonna keep playing F, just looking for the other part of me, yeah. Okay, and then here you're just gonna play C. You're just gonna play it like you were the chorus, the same strumming pattern and everything. But you're just gonna play C, G. And you're just gonna repeat that, do that twice. And then you're gonna play the next chorus, and then he just fades out in the song. I would just do, girl, I've been waiting for you my whole life. I've been waiting. So I just end it on C like that. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.